Hi, thank you for coming back to my channel where you discover every week new patterns for your beaded jewelry projects. This is an update, so if you're curious to find out what's new with our channel, keep watching. Hi, I'm Mia, and I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. This way, I can ask kindly YouTube to send you notification as soon as I put out new content. Now, if you are a loyal subscriber, you have noticed that for a while I have put out some new type of content on my channel and is related to packaging specifically for jewelry. I think that the presentation of our projects is as important as the beauty of our projects. The packaging is an important part of branding, is an important part of your marketing, and is an easy way to enhance the perceived value of your product in the eyes of your customer. That's why I have explored a few ways to create easily and cheaply, I must say, different types of packaging, and I'm thinking about boxes and cards that can hold your projects like earrings or bracelets or necklaces. And the beauty of it is that you can customize it. You can attach certain wording or sentiments. You can create different patterns with stamping or with coloring. Is really up to you. The thing is that you can engage in conversation with your customer, especially if you have made-to-order project, because you can ask them if it's for a birthday, if it's to celebrate something, and you can customize that project to become actually a gift, a complete gift. So you can find already the projects, some of the projects, on in the description below. I have created one or maybe two already playlists that contain those videos. You know that I'm always listening to your comments, so please leave a comment below and let me know which type of packaging you prefer better, the boxes or maybe the cards type. Thank you for watching. See you next week or in tutorial.